The World Gold Council stands as the global voice for the gold mining industry, guiding companies toward responsible, safe, and sustainable practices. Their mission goes far beyond profit. It's about ensuring gold is mined in a way that protects the environment, benefits local communities, and adheres to the highest international standards. Through rigorous research and detailed market analysis, the WGC empowers investors, governments, and industry leaders with the information they need to make smart, ethical decisions. Gold mining today is a highly complex process, starting with determining the gold reserves in a site and ending with bars or coins ready for market. Before a single ounce is extracted, member companies perform extensive geological surveys, exploratory drilling, magnetic field measurements, and soil analysis to map out exactly what lies beneath the surface. Environmental impact assessments are conducted to safeguard ecosystems and public health, and legal permits are obtained before operations begin. There are two primary methods of mining: open pit and underground. Open pit mining is used when the gold ore lies near the surface. Layers of rock and soil are removed to expose the gold-bearing ore. Underground mining, on the other hand, is reserved for deeper reserves, where networks of tunnels are carved out to access the ore. Once extracted, the ore is crushed and subjected to advanced processing to isolate the gold. The most common method is cyanidation, where gold is dissolved in a cyanide solution and then separated through absorption. Two popular variations, carbon in leach (CIL) and carbon in pulp (CIP), use carbon particles to capture the gold, allowing it to be separated without losing purity. These processes are strictly monitored under WGC safety and environmental guidelines to ensure that chemicals like cyanide do not damage surrounding ecosystems. Once separated, the crude gold heads to the smelter. Through high-temperature heating, impurities like silver and copper are removed. Refining, whether through electrolytic or chemical methods, pushes purity to 99.5% or higher. The result is pristine gold, ready to be cast into bars or coins, carefully packaged and shipped to banks, jewelers, and investors around the globe. WGC's commitment doesn't end at mining and refining. Member companies must regularly monitor air, water, and soil quality in surrounding areas, ensuring no pollution harms local communities. They are encouraged to invest in infrastructure, education, and healthcare projects, creating jobs and raising living standards. On a global scale, the Planet Gold Guyana initiative is tackling one of gold mining's most dangerous practices, the use of mercury. Mercury is a potent neurotoxin, contaminating water, soil, and air, and posing severe risks to human health and wildlife. To eliminate this threat, Planet Gold Guyana is introducing innovative, mercury-free technologies like the Gold Catcha, Gold Cube, and Blue Bowl. The Gold Catcha is a portable gravity concentrator designed to separate gold without chemicals. It uses water flow and vibration to let heavy gold particles settle while lighter material is washed away. Simple to use, low cost, and efficient for alluvial deposits, it offers high recovery rates, though it's less effective with ultrafine particles. The Gold Cube takes a different approach, using layered concentration plates to trap gold as water and sediment flow over them. Pre-screened ore under 1 mm passes through multiple stages, with gold settling onto the plates while lighter debris is washed out. The final product is clean, high-purity gold without a drop of mercury. Both methods represent a safer, more sustainable future for artisanal and small-scale gold mining, ensuring miners can work profitably without compromising their health or the planet's well-being. From cutting-edge industrial mines to small artisanal operations, the message is clear: gold can and must be mined responsibly. The World Gold Council and initiatives like Planet Gold Guyana are proving that when innovation, regulation, and ethics work hand in hand, we can extract one of the world's most prized resources without sacrificing the environment or human health. This device stands out as one of the most efficient tools for separating gold from various ores, capable of isolating even the smallest gold particles with remarkable precision. However, its primary drawback is a higher investment cost compared to the Gold Catcha. The third device worth noting is the Blue Bowl. This disc-type gold separator utilizes a vortex of water to concentrate and recover gold. It's a simple yet highly effective device, ideal for separating pure gold from alluvial sand, especially when dealing with extremely fine particles. To use it effectively, the ore must be finely ground and large impurities removed. The raw material is placed into the Blue Bowl, and the water flow is adjusted to create a gentle vortex. This swirling motion encourages heavy gold particles to settle at the bottom, while lighter sand is swept away. The gold kacha, gold cube, and blue bowl together provide miners with the tools to recover gold efficiently from alluvial sources without damaging the environment or risking human health. Planet Gold Guyana supports small-scale miners in adopting these mercury-free methods, ensuring economic viability, safety, and long-term sustainability. In East Africa, the African Gold Refinery (AGR) in Uganda stands as one of the region's largest gold refineries. AGR manages the process from raw material procurement to the final market-ready product. Raw gold, whether in the form of ore or gold dust with low purity, is first tested extensively before processing. The gold is heated in a furnace at extremely high temperatures until it liquefies. During melting, impurities and unwanted metals rise to the surface and are removed. The refining stage is critical, with AGR employing advanced technologies like electrolysis and specialized chemicals to reach purity levels of 99.5% or higher. Once refined, the gold is poured into molds to form bars or shaped according to customer specifications. AGR supplies gold in bars, pieces, or powder to global markets, ensuring packaging meets international shipping standards. Their commitment to safety, legal compliance, and environmental responsibility extends to fighting illegal mining and creating local jobs, boosting community economic growth. In Russia, craftsmanship dominates the precious metals refining and jewelry market, holding about 35% of the machine-woven gold chain sector. Specializing in gold, 585 and 750 alloys, platinum 950, palladium 850, and silver 925, the company produces 18 types of hollow chains and diamond-cut bracelets. The process begins with alloy creation, melting and blending metals to precise specifications, followed by machine weaving into intricate chain designs. Bracelet production follows a similar process, with rigorous quality checks, ensuring flawless craftsmanship. Final touches, including polishing and plating, enhance both appearance and durability, making craftsmanship a respected name domestically and internationally. Atlantic Precious Metals uses an equally precise process to transform pure gold sponge, 99.99% purity, into gold bars. The sponge is weighed to exact specifications, placed in a heat-resistant crucible, and melted in an induction furnace, which offers efficient and precise temperature control. Flux is added to remove lingering impurities, preheated molds are coated to prevent sticking, and molten gold is poured swiftly to avoid defects. After cooling, the bars are cleaned, polished, stamped with weight, purity, and serial numbers, and subjected to a final assay to verify quality before distribution. One of the most remarkable feats in gold craftsmanship comes from the Perth Mint in Australia, renowned for producing the world's first 1-ton gold coin in 2011, the Australian Kangaroo 1-ton gold coin. Made from 99.99% pure gold and weighing exactly 1,000 kilograms, the coin's design by Dr. Stuart Devlin was inspired by the annual Kangaroo Gold Bullion series. Creating this massive coin required advanced engineering, melting vast quantities of gold, pouring it into a specially designed mold,